Hello, hello! Moana is now part of our princess collection. In this tutorial, I will show you all the materials we need to make her. I will also tell you the videos that you should watch before moving on to part 2. This princess is about 29 centimeters. I share the tutorial link to make the base body in the description of this video. We will need approximately 66 grams with colored yarn. Silicone tube 1 cm in diameter and never less than 12 cm long. $10mm safety eyes. Stuffed, tan and white yarn for details in her eyes. Approximately 90 grams of dark brown hair strand. For the flowers, we will use pink and yellow yarn. Strong tan color for more details. And bone color. With color for this. We need some closer for the blouse. I use this, but you can use what you prefer. Also, you can even sew it. Wool needle, pins, and scissors. It is all the material that we will need, and you already know the videos to see before continuing. I hope you dare to make Moana. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification when I upload a new tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye bye!